Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to summarize a website with AI summary on OnePlus phone or a tablet. To do it, you'll need to have a smart bar enabled. You can see I have it. Later on I'll show you how to enable it. But for now, I'll just leave it as it is. And let's go to any sort of website to use the AI summary. So let's open a website now. If you want to summarize it, simply swipe from the side and click on AI summary. Now it'll start generating a summary. You can see it gives me bullet points and you can simply read it. And now if you want to, you can regenerate it, you can copy the summary, you can save it to notes. I'm gonna regenerate it. And yeah, that's basically how you can use it. Once you close it, it just goes away. And if you want to enable the smart bar, if you don't have it, go to accessibility and convenience in settings, then go to smart sidebar and make sure it's enabled, as well as smart functions, that they are also enabled, and it should be working. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.